Hey gang, Poppy here. This is my introductory video to my entry to Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop, Tip Blitz 19. That's hashtag Tip Blitz 19. TIPBLITZ 19. You see I'm wearing a shirt? Because I'm showing in this introductory part of it. I'm going to go to my POV cam in a moment and show you the object I'm talking about for the project. I may be out of format by showing you what I'm going to be working with and explaining what I'm going to do, but since I'm doing this to have fun, why not? Going to change to POV cam and get on with the show. Hey gang, Poppy here. Okay, this is the project for Tip Blitz 19. You may recognize this. It's your ubiquitous, slow speed, reversible knife sharpener with a liquid well, so your stone runs wet. Slow speed, wet stone, about 320 grit wheel. When I bought this from a Sears return outlet store for a greatly reduced price. That is a Sears Roebuck. Craftsman, it says here. Just barely see Craftsman where they ground away. But model number 319, looks like a dash, 190710. Made in China. Anyway, someone bought it. Didn't like it. This wheel was right, so I had to get it, pretty close to flat with a set of knives I sharpened. Now, in my cylindrical grinding on my shear line lathe, there's a problem with running the spindle backwards at low speed. I tried putting my power feed alongside the headstock spindle and running the spindle. I got backwards at slow speed with a good amount of torque, but I gave up my power feed to run the spindle backwards while I was cylindrical grinding. Here, I bought this. I was going to put a diamond wheel on this baby. Now, I had money then. I got busy and I bought a 6-inch flat lap lapidary unit, and this baby became pretty much superfluous. It's just been sitting on the shelf. I replaced the wheel with a 2 or 3 step pulley. Of course, I cut out the water wells so that the belts, right, the belt can get around here and go to the pulley on the headstock of my lathe. Now I've got forward, reverse at a slow speed, and I make a pulley step down here that's just a little bit bigger than this 1/2-inch shank, like 5/8, maybe a 3/4, and 1 inch. Since I got a big hunk of 1.5 inch Delrin just waiting to be made into something, this is the project. This video is not going to show you the actual work. That's going to be coming in dribs and drabs. But keep tuned to this channel for further developments.